Yeah, so how often should you be updating content on your website? As often as possible. If you think about it, if you think of a movie store or a candy store, I mean, if you keep going to the candy store, the movie store, and they have the same movies and same candy, you're gonna not go as frequently. So think of like a spider that comes to your site. If it comes back and it's always getting new stuff, the likeliness of it to come back more frequently will happen. So you can trigger things when you write a new blog post. You can actually go trigger the URL to be submitted through Google Search Console. Don't do the add URL. I know that's a big thing that people think they have some secret code to the back end of Google. That's definitely not the case. That's as generic as it gets. If you really want to have an impact on that content right now, you want to get into Google Search Console and you want to submit your sitemap and you want to have it indexed right there. That will actually get your content into the Google index. As a matter of fact, do that and search 10 minutes later and you'll see your article live on Google. That's how powerful that is.
Solid. Tricky one.
Sure.
Company wants